Jerusalem Talmud Yomi, Tractate Orlah, Chapter 2, Mishnah 9. Chaticha shel kadshe kadshim, v'shel pigul, v'shel nosar shnisbashlu, im chatichos asur lazarim, umatar lakohanim. Spices, 2 or 3 names for one kind, or one name for 3 are forbidden to combine. Rabbi Shimon says, okay, this is not correct. Okay, this is the issue with, I guess, I'll have to translate it myself. Or try to at least. Chaticha shel kadshe kadshim, a piece of holy meat of the holy the highest level of, like for example an Orlah, a burnt offering or a sin offering. Those are called holy kadshe kadshim. A piece of kadshe kadshim and shel pigul. Pigul is where it was disqualified if the Kohen had a bad thought, an improper thought about it, to be eaten in the wrong time or wrong place. V'shel nosar, a leftover. If a piece of meat of any of these things, nosar means leftover, like beyond the time frame of when one is allowed to eat the sacrifice. So a piece of any of these meats, shenis bashlu im chatichos, if they were cooked with other meats, asur lazarim umatar kohanim. That's interesting. That pigul is mutter for a kohen. That's a kind of a chiddush to me. I would think pigul is asur for everybody, and nosar also. Okay, it's the Mishnah is teaching that it's permitted for a kohen. Rabbi Shimon matir lazarim villa kohanim. Rabbi Shimon says it's mutter for both non-kohanim and kohanim. Basar kadshe kadshim ubasar kadshim kalim. Let's say it was most holy and lesser holiness, like let's say a shlamim, that's kadshim kalim, or a toda. Shinis bashlu im basar, if it was hatava, I'm not sure what that is, a meat of desire, maybe it's regular chulin meat. Asur l'tmeim umutar l'tahorim. It's asur for impure people, and it's permitted for pure people. Halacha, it was stated of pigul, leftovers, or holy sacrifices. Not the most holy, but holy, okay? The halacha is commenting on this. Rabbi Jonas said, one did not say simply holy sacrifices. Are pigul and leftovers not after sprinkling as before sprinkling? It mentions only pigul and leftovers, things which sprinkling does not permit, together with most holy sacrifices. Therefore, for simply holy sacrifices which are permitted after sprinkling, one never can whip because of laity. You don't get malchus because of it. Lashes. Rabbi Yossi said, did one not say simply holy sacrifices? Are pigul and leftovers not after sprinkling as before sprinkling? Why were pigul and leftovers mentioned? Not to exclude simply holy sacrifices after sprinkling? Therefore, before sprinkling, when simply holy sacrifices are forbidden, laypersons will be given lashes for eating them. Rabbi Avun said a Braita supports Rabbi Yossi. Deuteronomy 12:17. Your dedications, thanksgiving, and well-being sacrifices, if one ate of them before sprinkling, he is whipped. Rabbi Shimon ben Lakish said, following the disagreement, Rabbi Yochanan said, the opinion of everybody. It is difficult for Rabbi Shimon ben Lakish. Do we not say that for everybody the expressions of truma do combine? And here the expressions of impurity and laity should combine. Rabbi Shimon ben Lakish follows what Bar Kapara stated. If pieces of holy meat or pigul or leftovers, it's nosar, were cooked with profane pieces, Rabbi Shimon permits, but the sages forbid.